What's up, citizens? It's your boy MyVXO. I'm going to be taking you from not to hot, Pop Smoke edition. But you already know the deal. Before we do anything, please make sure you like and subscribe because we always need more citizens in this tribe. Let's get to it, y'all. So this is my client for today. Say what's up, Jules.
What's going on, Jay?
We are going to be taking him from not to hot. And so, y'all, just get into this head. You know, we can't let him go out looking like that. So, your boy Mavi here is to the rescue. What we're going to do is take these braids out. We're going to do a somewhat ACV rinse. We're going to be real quick tonight because it's, wham bam, thank you, ma'am. Take this out. We're going to shampoo, but I'm going to take y'all along the ride with me. And so, first things first, let's get these braids out.
I'm like, somebody's in there. It's like y'all boiling eggs. He got people in his.
And we are back, and as you can see, my client has been blow dried as straight as I'm going to get it for now. Again, I never blow dry hair too straight, but I just wanted to mention that after I blow dried, you definitely want to go in with an oil to oil that scalp. Again, any great house always starts with a good foundation. So again, oil that scalp. When I come back, I'm going to have my hair sectioned out, and you'll see how we're going to get this Pop Smoke started out. Okay, guys, and so once I blow dried, oil the scalp, again going with the Pop Smoke hairstyle, so I might pop it in here. And as you can see, I've parted the hair off in 6 sections. And just to give you an idea as to how this style is going to be accomplished, I'm going to start with one portion, come back, complete it, and then I'll do the entire head. And so, like I always say, let's get to it, y'all. All right, so I have done most of the framework, as you can see, and so the only thing we have to do now is just braid up each of these sections, and then your boy is good to go. But just to give you an idea as to what we're doing, again, basically 6 braids with a little design at each. So again, we're just gonna braid these sections up, and then your boy is done, and bam. So here we are with the finished result. And when I tell you your boy looking fly, your boy looking fly. But like I said, with any great hairstyle, if you start with a great foundation, bam, you're gonna have some great results. Yes, it's like that. We tired. But you already know the deal. You already know the deal, how I close out all my videos. If you like what you see, go ahead, like, and subscribe, because we always need more citizens in this tribe. Peace and love, y'all.